Well, hello friends, this is the Story Break and this is Tommy Oaks. Welcome, glad that you're here. Every now and then you hear a story that you think makes a real good point and you just want to tell the point, but maybe you shouldn't. So I'm going to tell you a story and I'm not going to tell you the point of it. I'm betting you can guess it. Well, one time there was a man who worked a sawmill and he had all kinds of acres of timber. He put an ad in the paper for somebody to come and help him cut that timber down. Well, this was back in the days before chainsaws, so there was a man came who was a tree cutting man, had an axe. And the man who owned the lumber yard contracted with him and said, just go out there and have at it and cut as many trees as you can, and I'll pay you at the end of the day. So the man went out that day and worked all day and he cut down 18 trees. Well, the man who owned the lumber yard was very pleased, paid the man, said, come back tomorrow. Man came back the next day and he cut down 15 trees. Well, it wasn't as much as the day before, but it was still a lot of trees. The man came back the third day and only cut down 10 trees. Well, when he paid him, the man who owned the lumber yard said to the man, I noticed the first day you cut down 18 trees, second day 15, today you just cut down 10. And the fellow with the axe said, I know, I'm just not been able to cut down as many trees as the days have gone by. Maybe I'm getting weaker. Well, the man who owned the lumber yard said, well, have you sharpened your axe? The man said, I've been too busy cutting down trees. I don't have time to sharpen my axe. Now, what do you think the point of that story might be? Well, this is Tommy Oaks. See you next time at the Story Break.